If you're like me, who do not like coding, do not want to work for 40 plus hours every single week, trading time for money and listening to your boss orders, then in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 insanely valuable skills which I am learning and which are in demand right now, are extremely easy to learn and can make you some serious money. So in this video, I'm going to be covering 4 parts for every skill. What is the skill? Why am I focusing on it? How it makes money? And how to learn it quickly. Starting with content creation and personal branding. What is it exactly? Content creation and personal branding is basically sharing about your ideas, your expertise, or your experiences online to attract right audience for yourself. Now, it could be through videos like YouTube, like Instagram, or through writing like on LinkedIn, Twitter, even through blogs, or by using podcasts. The goal here is to build trust and authority in a space where people can see you as a go to person for your specific skill. Why am I focusing on it? Simple. Attention is the new currency. It absolutely does not matter how skilled you are. If people don't know you exist, you are literally leaving money on the table. On top of it, personal branding opens up so many opportunities, and you don't even have to chase clients or job offers. They come to you. I get hundreds of mails and DMs every single week for counseling. For me personally, content creation is also a way to document my journey to help others and create something meaningful for long term. And you know, the best part is it compounds. A single piece of content can work for you months or even years later. Now, how does it makes money? Once you build an audience, the income possibilities opens up in multiple ways. YouTube literally pays you to create content, brand sponsorships. Now, companies start paying you to get in front of the audience. Affiliate marketing. You recommend tools or products which you already use and then earn commissions when people sign up. Abhi tak I have recommended like 2 products and it has gotten me a decent amount of money. Next is courses and ebooks. You can literally package all your knowledge and sell it online. In fact, I have been selling my ebook of how I lost weight on Gumroad, and soon I'm going to be making it free of cost available for all you guys. Apart from this, you can also earn from consulting and coaching. As you grow, people pay you for direct access to your expertise. Now, how can you learn it quickly? I would suggest pick one platform depending upon what are you interested in. If you don't want to show your face, pick Twitter or LinkedIn or Threads. If you like talking to the camera or you want to become good at it, then pick up either Instagram or YouTube and then just go all in. I have picked up YouTube and till now I'm only actively present on YouTube and working on growing this platform. Stay consistent. Even if your content is not perfect right now, just stay consistent with it. It took me a lot of time to understand this concept, and earlier I was not consistent. The more you are consistent, the better you'll be able to see the results. Focus on giving value. Guys, you need to help people. You need to give insights about your knowledge, your expertise in order to make your content relatable and likable by the audience. Use AI and tools to learn it quick. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion, and automation tools can speed up content creation immensely. I regularly use ChatGPT for my script writing and for any problem solving, which I'll be talking about in the next skill. So at the end of the day, your personal brand is your digital resume. Whether you want to make money, get better career opportunities, or even build your own business, this is a non-negotiable in today's world. Next skill is AI assisted problem solving and automation. AI assisted problem solving and automation is all about utilizing AI tools to think faster, work smarter, and automate repetitive tasks. It's not just about ChatGPT answering your questions. It's about using AI to enhance your creativity, streamline your business operations, and solve problems in a way that were never possible before. Think of AI as your thought partner, which helps you in brainstorming your ideas, breaking down complex problems, and executing tasks faster. Now, why I am focusing on it? Because AI is not replacing people. In fact, it's making them 10 times more efficient. Those who know how to work with AI will have massive advantage over those who do not know. For me, AI has changed everything. Content creation has become faster. I use AI for idea generation, script writing, and repurposing content. My problem solving has become better. AI has literally helped me in structuring my thoughts and analyzing them at different angles. On the screen, you can see the document created by me to show you how I leverage AI or ChatGPT for my content. So, it's not about using AI just for the sake of it, but it's more about when and how to use it to multiply results with less efforts. How it makes money? Well, there are tons of ways to monetize AI skills, and the best part is businesses are actively looking for such people who can help them integrate AI in their businesses. Here is how you can cash in. First, by providing automation services. You can literally help businesses streamline content creation, emails, or even workflows with AI.
This guy on School Community is easily earning more than $50,000 every single month. You can also check out his YouTube channel.
AI consulting. You can teach individuals or companies how to use AI to boost productivity and achieve their goals faster.
Ansh Mehra, an Indian content creator, is earning in lakhs every month using the same approach.
Building AI powered digital products. You can create AI driven templates, tools, or guides which people can buy.
Check out this video from Website Learners to learn how to make money from it.
You can also freelance with AI tools. You can offer AI enhanced design, marketing, coding, or even copywriting services to your clients and earn money from it. Now, I have explained it very shortly because we are running out of time. If you want me to make more videos on such topics, then please comment below and I would make a detailed video on how you can use AI to make money. Now, how you can learn AI quickly. The best way to learn it quickly is by using it daily. Here is how you can speed up the daily learning process. Make AI an everyday habit. Whether it is for writing, for brainstorming, or for automating tasks, start using it now. Try different AI tools. Explore ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI, Zapier, and see what is actually working for you. For me personally, I use ChatGPT and Notion a lot for my content creation. Find real world use cases. Now, here you can look for ways where AI can help you save time in your work, in your business, or even in your day to day life. In that way, you'll be able to learn it much quicker. Last but not the least, teach as you learn. Share your insights, your learnings with others. And this is the best way to start even creating content. This way, you'll be able to help others and also strengthen your skills. The faster you will integrate AI into your routine, the sooner you'll start seeing its true power. So, next in the list is copywriting and persuasive communication. Now, what is it? Copywriting is the art of using words to persuade, influence, and sell. Whether it's about writing a sales page, an ad, or a tweet, great copy grabs attention, builds trust, and drives action. But it's not just about writing. In fact, it's more about understanding human psychology. Why do people click? Why do they even buy? And what emotions trigger decisions? That's where persuasive communication comes in. Master this skill, and you can literally sell anything: products, services, or even ideas. Why I am focusing on it? Well, because everything in life is primarily sales. If you're creating content, you need compelling hooks and storytelling. If you're building a personal brand, you need to communicate your value very clearly. Or even if you're selling products, you need words that can make people take action. Over the period of time, I have realized that those who know how to sell with words will never be broke. And in the online world, this skill is even more powerful because just one well written email, tweet, or an ad can generate thousands or even millions. How it makes money? If you know how to write words that can sell, you can monetize it in so many ways. Businesses literally pay lots of money for emails, ads, and landing pages that converts.
Out of all the copywriting courses on internet, I found this one the best for beginners and it's absolutely free.
Second is social media monetization. Now, we talked about building your own personal brand in the previous skill. So, copywriting can help you immensely in building your personal brand by creating threads, posts, captions, titles, descriptions, and so much more so that you can attract the right audience for yourself. Post which you can sell whatever product or service you want to them. Third is consulting for brands and creators. You can help various brands and creators, helping them improve their messaging and their persuasion.
There are so many freelancers on Fiverr making money simply by providing these services.
Fourth is affiliate marketing. These days, there are so many products available online to be sold. You can pick any of the products in your niche, write an amazing copy of it, run a Facebook ad, and earn some great commissions on it.
Here is a list of some amazing programs that lets you earn high commissions with affiliate marketing.
Now, how you can learn it quickly? Start writing it every single day. Tweets, captions, emails, anything. The more you write, the better you get. Study proven copywriting formulas like ADA, PAS, and storytelling techniques that drive action. Reverse engineer great copy. Analyze viral tweets, top performing ads, and best selling sales pages. Learn persuasion and psychology. You can learn these by reading books like Influence and Cashvertising. Test and tweak. The only way to get good at it is by writing, experimenting, and seeing what works for you. All in all, copywriting is a superpower. If you can craft words that make people feel, trust, and buy, you can literally print money on demand. And the last skill, which is a high income skill and is in a lot of demand in the market right now, is high level consulting and problem solving. Now, what it is? Consulting is all about getting paid to solve problems, whether it is for individuals or businesses or startups. Now, think about this. When people face challenges, they either waste their lot of time figuring out all by themselves, or they prefer to pay someone to give them a clear path forward. And that's where high level consulting comes in. If you can help someone get results faster, they'll happily pay you a premium. Why I am focusing on it? Because I can be paid for my knowledge and not time. I can set my own rates and choose my own clients. And the best part is there is no huge audience needed for it. It's just the right audience you need to connect with. And I've seen this firsthand. People don't always want information. They want more of clarity and execution. Now, this could be through one-to-one coaching, which is personalized guidance and advice, strategic consulting, helping businesses optimize and scale, or through workshops and group sessions, teaching a framework or a system that works. It's not about knowing everything. It's about having a unique experience, skill, or insight that others are willing to pay for. In fact, there's a recent platform which is promoting this skill so much. This platform name is Unicorn AI. You can go and check it out. How you can learn it quickly? First, start solving problems for free. Help a few people and get testimonials written from them. Document your process. Build a framework around your expertise. Position yourself as an expert. Share insights on LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. Package your knowledge. Create consulting offers that focus on results. Charge based on results and not time. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you can charge. If you want high income with flexibility, consulting is one of the fastest ways to get there. So through networking, you can create a WhatsApp community, start sharing knowledge about your expertise, and can easily get clients from there. So I really hope, guys, that this video has helped you in getting somewhat clarity in what all things are there in the market right now, high in demand, and how you can learn them too. Although I understand I have not been able to cover each and every point in detail, otherwise the video would have been very lengthy. If you like this video and want me to create more such videos in depth, then let me know in the comments below. If I get a lot of comments like these, then I would definitely start making more videos on such kind of topics. That's all in today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and stay positive. Bye.